Okay, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you how to build a simulation using Proteus and how to coding for PIC 16F8778 using CCF compiler. Please like and subscribe to supporting me and watch a lot of video in the future. In this lesson, I will guide you how to blink LED using digital light. The first, you just open Proteus. Now I'm using 8.12 version. You can use this version or higher version. You just choose new project. Okay. This name I'm using simulation. Right? And here choose the folder you save this project. I will save it in the desktop. Make a folder. Simulate. Select folder. Next. Finish. Okay. Now we choose equipment. Press P. X 16. Double 7i. You just double click here. Okay, and equipment will list here. Crystal, capacitor, you just choose generic, double click, button, double click, resistor, LED. So I choose the green color. Okay, so it's enough. Here is our microcontroller, as you can see. Okay, we choose crystal. Okay, capacitor, okay. Here you choose route connect to here. Okay, and I will change it to 22 picofarads. Here 22 picofarads, and crystal I'm using 4 MHz. You can choose 8 or 12 or 20 MHz. It depends on you. Okay. Now I'm using a button connect to reset pin. To change the position vertical or horizontal, you just press the S plus on the keyboard. Register. Okay. Capacitor. Okay. You just choose 0 dot on microfarad, and here you choose the power connect this, ground to connect this. Okay, so now I'm connect the LED. Press the S plus resistor. Yeah, you can choose it 220 or 240 is okay, and here I get 220. I'm connected to V0 pins, and here I connect the ground. Okay, so the simulation is done. So easy. It's so easy. Okay, and now we are going to coding. You just open CCS compiler. Choose file, new, project wires. Choose the folder to save this coding simulation. Okay, you can using another name or default names. Here I'm choose the default names. It means big city and sitting at A777A. Here, okay. Crystal now I'm using 4 MHz. Okay, 4 MHz. So I change this 4 MHz. If you using 20 or 12, you just change this and choose create project. Okay, after that, you just choose review. Okay, when you review, after in the file, you can see the main.h. In this library, you can see the software view a lot of command products, and we don't need to command against. Okay, here you can see include main.h. You just include this library, and you can see the software build is product. Okay, now I want to link this LED widget to output. Right. In B0 delay millisecond 300. output low in B0 and delay millisecond 300. Okay, this command to turn on LED, and here's turn off. Okay, now review. Open the simulation, double click. Okay, change this 4 MHz and choose the hex file. Okay, what's wrong with it? Okay, I just change this. I think this why I will change this position. Okay, okay, it's okay. Blink LED. So this is the first way to blink LED, and now I'm using another way, just another command. You can see. Okay, just thermal command, and now I'm using output bit V0 on. Is this command echo output high V0. Okay, I'm just thermal command output bit V0 0. This command echo output low okay, review. Okay, blink LED. So we have the two way to blink LED, and now is the third. This one way, second way, and now I'm guide you to the third way. We just turn on this command. Now output, we just using this B 0 B. Okay, and here you just turn on this command. Output B okay, review. Okay, so we have three ways to blink LEDs. Now if I want to blink the one port, two ports, now I'm guide you how to blink the one port or two ports. Okay, now we just change a little bit in the simulation. Now I'm choosing LED and okay, double click resistor. Okay, you choose it. Okay, you see resistor switching the double click. Okay, and resistor. Okay, I'm connect this to port C. Okay, and all this I connect to ground. Just double click. Okay, choose ground. Okay, now I'm guide you to blink this box. Okay, so okay, I'm just turn on this command. Now output C, right? C, add. Okay, turn on this command. Output C. Okay, here is turn on all LED. Turn off all LED. Reduce. Okay. Here we need to change this. Change it to 220. Okay. Okay, you can see. Okay. So this lesson today has done, and I will make 1 to 2 lessons per week to lead you go to the high level. And after finish all the course, you can make the professional project. Okay, and once again, just like and subscribe to supporting me and watch a lot of video in the future. Okay, see you in the next lesson.